Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I'm going to forecast analyzed for your next week gold trading. So last week we made massive profit from the gold trading. You can join with the Telegram link is below and make good profit from the gold trading. So this pattern, this is the forward chart technically pattern. This pattern I have mentioned my last week goal analysis videos now. So last Friday this pattern break out to the upside. So now buyers are in under control. So this point 3330, that was you have sell buy opportunity in last Friday. So that's the technically forward chart. So that's pattern. This is the target next week. 3400 is the first target, 3430 is the next level target. So before the target price can be the retest some area. So this is the next level upside target with the resistance level. So before that can be retest the below area. So like this or before the continuation to the upside can be retest area like this. That's the technical simple setup in the next week. So this is can be deep retest to the below side for before continuation to the upside. So that's the my technical analysis in the next week, but we will see the what is the fundamental picture. So I'm going to the daily chart. So what was happened on last Friday? So this is the daily chart. I am going to this is the daily chart. You can see the last Friday candle is the green candle is strong bullish candle. Buyers are interesting to buy gold last Friday. So reason is the fundamental reason is the American central bank's speech was there. That's the Fed chairperson Jerome Powell was speaks with the dovish tone with the last Friday speaks. That's the goal. FX Street website mentioned Powell turned dovish labor rights. So Jerome Powell, American Central Bank's chairperson, was the tone with the dovish tone and 90% forecast to the rate cut in the rate cut increase to 90% on the rate cut forecast in the next FOMC meeting September. So that will impact to 0.25 bps, 0.25% rate cut now price into the market in next week next FOMC meeting in September. So 25 bps, 0.25% rate cut forecast price into the market. That will impact to the gold sell off and dollar sell off and gold push to the upside. So Donald Trump interesting, he likes to cut the rate. So man, he was the man. So Powell turns the dovish and the gold buyers are interesting to buy gold. So gold demand was last Friday. That's the fundamental reason is the inside the picture. So that's the fundamental reason of the inside this picture daily chart. So let's see the what will happen on the next week. So I am still in the this channel pattern. This channel this is the triangle pattern is still daily chart in the this triangle pattern. So I am hoping to the breakout to the upside, but you should wait for the buy. So like this new all-time high can be created with the rate cut forecast price into the market, and still gold demand still gold is the upside is still uptrend gold price. So next level daily target 3400 and 3430 is the strong resistance level still in the daily chart technically picture. So let's see the what is the economic events in next week. So next week's Thursday, that's the GDP quarterly report is there. So GDP is the more important report. So gross domestic product is the quarterly report. 0.3% is the current report, and Fed forecast to the increase to the 3.1%. So next week's Thursday, 3% GDP quarterly report. So Fed forecast to increase to 3.1%. If GDP increased to 3.1% above. That will impact to dollar strength and gold some retracement to the downside. And the next week Friday, PC core PC price index is there. That's the more important economic event. 0.3% is the current figure. So next week GDP PC price index, that's the more important economic events in next week. That you touch with the economic event if you are trading gold regarding US dollar. So let's see that this is the 4 hour technically chart. So what levels you should touch with the next week gold trading? This is the pattern now breakout to the upside. So this is the bullish black pattern. This is the bullish continuation pattern with the technically setup. So let's see the what is the imported zones. Imported zone, this zone is the imported zone. Price now in 3370. Price currently now in the zone, this zone imported, and the below zone 3330, that's the imported zone. So and the upside zone is the 3400 is the next resistance level. This is the 4 hour chart technically set up. These 3 zones imported, so you should touch with these levels if you are trading gold. So price, this is the price now in the 3370 zone. That's also resistance zone. So before continuation to the upside, price can be, this is 3400 zone, and the below 3330 zone is the below zone. This is the resistance. This resistance can be become support. So price can be directly pushed to the 3400. That's the my first option. Direct push to the 3400, and before that retest to this area before continuation to the upside. So left side resistance becomes support in here. So that's the 3030 area, and the next level deep retest to this, the below 3320 10 level, deep retest to below before continuation to the upside like this. So that's the 3 options in next week gold trading important levels with the technically setup. So you should touch with the fundamentals also before get the trades. Market drive with the fundamental, not the technical. Technical is the we use for the get the levels. So you can join with the accurate. This is the next resistance level 3430 is the, and then new all-time high is the next level. So you can join with my Telegram, link is below. Accurate gold trading analysis combined with the technicals and fundamentals. So link is below, you can join with. So thank you very much.